5 years ago, we decided or we made a goal for ourselves that Biore supply chain, especially Biore India, should get the first milestone towards the self-sustainability of its own non-GM cotton seed needs.
All the private seed companies, they are making the new hybrids and new varietal lines with the conventional practices. But only Biore having this facility that we are evaluating, we are making the new seeds, we are making the breeding lines, we are developing new lines, new hybrids under the organic situation. So till now we find this 8 type of seeds are very suitable for the farmers and for the textile industries. Okay. From this seed trial, we evaluate every year our cotton varieties and hybrids, and also we invited to the farmers and we do the workshop for their choice, because this finally end user is the farmer. So we have to keep their likes in our mind to when we are going to select the best genotypes.
भीड़ मत एकदम असम
नहीं नहीं वो तो उनका लगाना दे उनका हिसाब से तो 24
यहाँ तक
वो है
हाँ लाइन गिनी लेना अपन 1 2 3 4 5 6
ये
यहाँ तक
मतलब लेकर को तो गए थे सर उनको दिखाने के हिसाब से, तो लेकर महिलाएं भी गई थी यहाँ की, तो उन लोगों ने भी जैसे कपास निकाल के देखा है तो बोले ये अच्छे से बिनने में आता है, तो वहाँ पर वो लोग बांध कर आते हैं। जैसे कपास का पौधा जो बड़ा है सर, वो जिसमें ज़्यादा फल पूड़ी वगैरह झेंडे वगैरह लगे हों और कपास अच्छे से चुने में हाथ में आ रहा हो, तो वो वाले पौधे में जाके रिबन बांधा।
नहीं अच्छा 6 बोला जल संगठन का लगी है।
The seeds at every stage we are producing will undergo GM control, and all the seeds will be tested in our own lab. So we will have a greater control than what used to be 1 year before or before the GM testing lab at Biore was established.
पर अब कई कर रहे हैं यहाँ पर छोटे सोच वाला लोग छे।
In 2017, we established this ELISA testing laboratory with advanced equipments, and here we found that we can find easily the contaminated plants from the field. Even you have to test only one seed from the plants or one leaf from the plant.
वो तो काम वो तो नहीं मैं उसकी बात बता 66,900।
Next 5 years are really challenging for Indian cotton situation, and this will also pose threats on or challenges on organic cotton, because if 96% area is affected by bollworm, we will also be affected in the same way, because we are also in this working in the same region or zone. So it's going to be very tough for Indian cotton farmers next 5 years. This is what I personally feel. There was also a plan that we go for our own release, private release, which we call truthfully labeled seeds. For that, we need to undertake certain state agriculture university trials. We are already in third year of university trial. 8 of our cultivars are in the advanced stage. So some of them will already be released in 2019, and I hope that it will fulfill our needs in future. The aim which we have set for 5 years back, we have almost fulfilled, and this will continue and lead into taking the Biore India as a self-sustained organization for its seed needs, and also to commercialize and become the only supplier of non-GM cotton seeds bred and evaluated under organic situation and for organic situation.